Hi, you guys, and welcome back to All Things Her, a place where you can find how-tos, reviews, and tips just for us women. So, I just got off of work, and I if you're like me, stress sits in your shoulders and your neck, and it's just from stress. Or either when you work out, your neck gets really sore. Working at a desk, you can kind of have a poor posture, sort of say. But with all that being said, I wanted to find something that I can do myself again because, of course, I like to save money. I totally believe you can do self care and save money at the same time. So, Amazon Prime Day just passed. And so I went to Whole Foods, got the $10 off deal for Prime Day. And so I said, you know what? Let me go ahead and get me my DIY massager or, self massager, the fancy one. So I chose one called Tinker, and it's a shiatsu type of massage machine here. You can see it. So apparently the Tinker brand has a rechargeable cordless. It's rechargeable and cordless. Shiatsu 3D deep kneading massager with heat function, and it's for your neck, shoulders, back, leg, and feet. So basically a full body massage. Hey, that'll work. So it's the model N639, and it states as an intelligent program, point massage, TCMM. I'm not too sure what that is, but hey, 3D kneading and heat function. So, you know what? A plus to this I saw is that included in the box was the one massager, and then you have one power charge you can use in the house, but then it also has the car charger. I mean, can't get better than that. You can do a massage while you're sitting in your car. Come on. And then you have a user manual and one carry bag. You can carry it around while you're traveling. So I'm going to go ahead and open this up, do our unboxing, our unveiling. Oh. All right, so when you open it up, it's in the bag here. We're going to pull that bag out. I just hit my nose with the corner of that box. It kind of hurts. Anyway, I mean, it's not anything fancy, but it seems like it's really durable. Like it won't tear easily. Okay, so here is our car charger. Looks like with our user manual also in one bag. And then you have your regular charger here. There's nothing else in the bag. This is the inside of the bag, nothing fancy. And here is your actual massager. Woo-hoo. You talking about some feeling good here. Okay. Kind of feels like leather. I don't know what that is, but it's really durable. Take a look here. Here's your little arm sleeves. And on this side, you have another little arm sleeve here. But then you have your power. Looks like, the cycle and heat. And 1 and 2, I don't know what that is, but we're going to see. Here is where you hook up to your power cord or your car charger. And then there's this. It looked like a zipper that went all the way, but I don't see. That's very odd. It looks like a zipper that goes all the way down, but I don't see no zipper ends, or any zipper ends, should I say. All right. Shiatsu, let's see what you do. So I took the charger out. I'm gonna unravel it. And we're going to plug it up here. All right. And we're going to plug it up down here. Ooh. Okay, so when you turn it on, or should I say when you plug it up, I don't know if you see that red light blinking. I guess that's the indicator that your actual shiatsu massager is charging. So how this goes, as I understand, you put it on your neck, and I should have put my hair up for this, but it's okay. Oh, I accidentally pushed the power button and it is working. Oh my God. Okay. Woo. All right. Let me pull this back if I can here. So it's supposed to cradle your neck. And your arms go as such so you can like manipulate it. Oh, even with it not turned on and moving, it feels good. I guess I'm just that tense. All right, so what we're gonna do is turn power on. Ooh, as you can see, oh, look at those balls back there. Oh, no pun intended. Oh my God. Okay. Oh, wow. So it gets to kneading your neck. Oh, okay. So you go that way. Oh my gosh, you guys. You know, I used to go to, oh, it sped up on me. Wow. Okay. So I used to go to Massage Envy and did their monthly plan, but guys, that was like $60 per month. And you can only get one massage per month. Any extras, you're paying on top of that. Like, let's just say if I wanted a deep massage or a hot stone, it's $10 extra for this, $20 extra for that. It just added up. And you're in contract with this place. So you're basically paying whether you went or not, and then paying extra if you wanted extra services. Oh, okay. And then, you know, if you get an individual massage, I checked it out the other day, it was $90 for an hour massage. You can find some places off Groupon that's, you know, cheaper, but you don't know their quality. There's places in the mall you can go, but you're like out in the middle of the mall, which I've did that before. There's no shame in my game. But anyway, back to this. Just to say, you can do personal care without paying an arm and a leg. So that was power is going. And the second button looks like it went reverse. Let's see what the 1/2 is. Okay, so it looks like the 1 is a slower and the 2 is the faster pace. And I'm going to do the last one, which looks like heat. So yeah, you can move this to the side how you want it. You see it working back there? Oh, because I can actually feel this thing working my neck out. And my neck is so tight that, yeah, it's just ridiculous. And with this, I can come home every day and do my massage. Yeah, another win. So this particular shiatsu massager was originally $59 on Amazon. It had gone down to $39. And with my $10 off, I practically got it for $29, delivered straight to my door with Prime Amazon. And I love Prime. Just for that reason, I get my deals and free shipping, basically. So, if you have neck, oh, I'm sorry. If you have neck issues, you should try this out. But if it's something beyond like you damaged your neck, you don't need to try this. You need to go to your doctor instead. So check out the links in the description. and go check it out for yourself. Oh, and I feel that heat coming, guys. That heat is coming. If you are new to my channel, welcome, and don't forget to subscribe. If you're a returning visitor, welcome back. Oh. Okay, guys, I'm done.